Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to fix Snapchat on iPhone 15. So if Snapchat is glitching on your phone, many people facing this problem, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So right now I am not on the iPhone 15 but I am on the iOS 17, so I will help you to fix this problem. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application, log into your account. On the left top you will see Bitmoji icon, tap on it and go to the settings from the right top. Now scroll up, simply you have to search for the clear cache option here. As you can see, clear data, so different options is here. Simply you have to click on the clear cache and clear your cache from here. If your problem still not fixed, simply you have to open your app store, or you have to update your Snapchat mobile application by searching from here. Moreover, if it's still not working, you have to uninstall the Snapchat mobile application and reinstall it on your device. So in this way you can fix Snapchat on the iPhone 15. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.